guys, today I'm going to be doing a swipe to create a nice fall colored background, and then I'll use that to create a pretty autumn leaf. Each of the base paint colors that I'm pouring on is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. You can find all the paint colors, ratios and supplies that I'm using today listed in the description box. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in to do the swipe. With the canvas fully dried, I've sketched out a leaf in pencil, which I'm outlining with a Posca pen just to make it a little bit easier to see. And now I'm just painting around the outside using ivory black paint. Off camera, I outlined the leaf using an orange Posca pen. It just seemed like it needed something to help finish it off and to help it stand out from the background a little bit more. And this is what it looks like close up. Thanks so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.